The Soprano XL's revolutionary SHR mode provides an ideal combination for efficient hair removal. The SHR mode uses the optimal hair removal wavelength of 810 nanometer diode for deep penetration into the dermis, where the hair follicle is located. The SHR mode has consistent, high average power capabilities to enable the 10 pulse per second repetition rate for hair removal in motion. The SHR mode enables a low-fluence, in-motion approach for virtually painless hair removal. The SHR mode utilizes this series of low-fluence, high-repetition pulses to increase the temperature of both the hair follicle and the surrounding nourishing tissue to 45 degrees Celsius. This more gradual, in-motion heat delivery uses the chromophores in the surrounding tissue as reservoirs to effectively heat up the hair follicle. This, along with the heat energy absorbed directly by the hair follicle, damages the follicle and prevents regrowth. The SHR mode protects the epidermis and provides a virtually painless treatment. The sapphire tip on the handpiece provides contact cooling to the epidermis, preventing superficial heat injury.